Okay, so we have an unboxing of goodies. So let's see, let's do this one first, a cross stitch. Oh, I had the last video out in, now I'm pulling it out. Okay, so cross stitch, pre-printed. Let's see what this one, I love the fact that you get the, I left them in this bag for now because it's not as noisy as those plastic ones. Okay, these have the directions on the back instead. Okay, so this is, and it is, I can see that it is printed. This is 12 months. It's a 14 count. And it has a half stitch, a French knot, and a back stitch, and a full stitch. This is my first to have all of those, so let's see how that goes. Oh wow, look at how beautiful this pattern is. Holy crud. It's like a coloring page. That is awesome. It's the first one I've seen that is this detailed. Holy crud. That is great. Wow. Okay. And then it's a 14 count, I think is what I read. Is that what I read? I think I read it out loud, but I don't remember what I read out loud. I think it did say 14 count though, right? Oh, it's on this paper. Yeah, 14 count. So 2 strands, 14 count. Look how cute this is. It's so tiny. So 12. So you have 12 months. So you start off with the snowman and end with the wreath. Oh, this one looks doable. Totally doable. Except for the whole back stitching thing. See, I'm not a counting cross stitcher, so this is kind of weird to me. I'm like, how do we do this? So I guess we have to read the pattern, and that is not my forte. So let's see how. Maybe I can do stickers. Maybe I can do something different with this one. So we'll see. But okay, this is the color. Oh, I like how they have their little charts. This is cool. You have the 2 needles there. And you have the colors. Oh, this one's beautiful right here. So you have the colors. Yeah, I love the colors. They're just beautiful. And how many colors are there? 27 colors. Pretty darn cool. Okay. And let's go to the next one, which will be this one. And this one is also, no, this one's a 16 count. Okay, this is my, I think this is my first 16 count. I wasn't sure, okay, since I got the 18 count, I wasn't sure what this one would entail. So let's look. So this one is the pumpkin with 2 little hamsters. To me, they're hamsters. If they're different, please let me know. The forest playground. So this one is all full stitches. Back stitch, back stitch. So these also have back stitches. Oh wow, look at this pattern, you guys. It's really thick too. So it shows you here how to do the back stitch, or where to put the back stitches at. So pretty cool. Okay. And this is a 16 count. So how, okay, so it's a little bit bigger than the 18. This one looks, no, I've been doing a 14 count. So this one's a 16. So this one's pretty good. This one's a really good size, actually. Super cute. I love it. So very doable. And then here are the colors. So this has 28 colors. So 28 colors. Very nice. Okay, so that's that one. And let's go to the next one. So let's go to this one. So I think, no, okay, I'm not good at thinking, so let's not say I think, because I'm not good at it. I thought I bought 4 of them, all 4 seasons, but I may have done that with another company. I'm not sure. But either way, this one is also a 14 count, and it is summer. I could have sworn I bought the whole set, so there might be a whole other set coming. I'm not sure. We shall see. This one is super cute. This one also has back stitching and full stitches, so that's good. And let's see, it is also a 14 count, I said. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks doable. totally doable. Yeah, I'll put this in the rotation. But it doesn't, where's the back stitches at, you guys? Because I see everything is listed, which is nice. I'm not seeing the back stitch because everything is put on here. So everything, yeah, not like the other one. So I'm not sure. Where does it say back stitch is right here? One. I don't know. I've never read one of these patterns, so we'll see. But that one is summer. And this one has 21 colors. Very nice. I like it. And then we have winter. They also have autumn, which is in California we call it fall. Maybe that's why I didn't get it, because it had autumn. But I could have sworn I got the whole 4 set. So yeah, there might be giveaways in the future. So we got winter, same thing, 14 count. And this one also has back stitch. I think Christmas is back stitch. Let's look. Winter, yeah, Christmas is. So was there I see. So the back stitch may be right here, marine look. Yeah, because that's not on there. So the writing, marine look. Oh, and then the little birds. Oh, this is like a seek and find, huh? So, like one of those memory games. Oh, Lord, I'm going to lose. And, yeah. Okay, so we found some of them. So, winter. Very nice. I like. And we have 20 colors on this one. And I love the red and green. Oh, so pretty, you guys. This is really a nice one. I like. So, another good one. Okay, and the last one is going to be this one. I'm so excited about this one. So, this one is an 11 count, and it's 3 strands. Isn't this one nice, you guys? I love samplers, I guess is what they're called, but I don't do counted, and so this is the next best thing that we actually get one of these. So I love it. So this has a back stitch also. I like their charts. Their charts are really nice. Very in your face. They're very confrontational, aren't they? So I would assume happy, maybe these things. Oh, let's look at that. Let's do a seek and find together. So, okay. Oh no, see the spider web is there, but happy is not there. But I don't think I would put it anyways, because I don't think it's needed actually. And this is, what does that say? Hubble Bubble? What does that say? Oh gosh, you guys, I cannot. Wait, what does that say? Does that say Hubby Bubby? Hubble? I don't know what that says, you guys. I can read. I promise you I can read English. But I am not reading this one. Hubby Bubble? Bubble? Hubble Bubble? Oh Lord, you guys, I am sometimes not the sharpest color in the crayon box. Okay, so I like this. Is really neat. This is also doable. Yay. Okay, I like this one a lot. Let's look at the colors. And I love their charts. Their charts are really fantastic. Jeez, oh, look at these colors. Total Halloween colors. 21 colors. Wow, look at that, you guys. Look at that. Love it. Okay, and then let me show you a little bit of... No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, so last winter, so there was 3 people who entered, and a World of Stitches could not because she's in the UK, but there's 3 names in here. I cannot see them. I just pulled one out, and oh, I pulled 2 out. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, I got 1. I can't read my own writing. Landidado. You won this. So I will put my email. It's painkillerinc@yahoo.com. Email me, and I will, and that way email me your address so I can mail this out to you. So yes, please. So you won this. Now the next giveaway is going to be this, because I ended up getting 2 on accident. So this one is a printed. It's printed. So if you are interested in this one, please be in the USA. And just please leave a comment and let me know what you think of this. Alright guys, so this is the second one. We'll see y'all later. Bye.